Bipasha is superb.
Bipasha was cool.
She was mind-blowing.
Dino Maria.
Dino was
Okay, as usual, normal.
Shidosh Rana should get an award.
Vikram Bhatt.
Direction was nice.
Vikram Bhatt.
Direction is too good.
If the director is good, automatically the movie is also nice.
What about the assistant directors?
No idea. Assistant director.
Know about assistant directors.
Not interested.
No idea about that.
We think of on the producers, directors, and over the actors. That's all.
We have heard it, but what work they do, we don't know.
उसके बाद
मेरे को क्या मालूम assistant director का नाम क्या है?
Who's that?
Did you know that India is the largest producer of films in the world, producing around 900 films a year? There are around 250 films produced every year in Mumbai alone. Lakhs of people give up the comfort of their homes and come to Mumbai every year, ensnared by the lure of films, mostly to be actors and technicians. Films and television, directly or indirectly, provide employment to a few million people. A few of these enterprising people nurture dreams to make films. Just how does one learn to make films? The easiest way is to assist a director, learn the ropes, and ultimately make one's own film.
जो अम्ब्रेला आ रहा है और सही है कि गलत है, मुझे तो ठीक नहीं लग रहा वो। बैकग्राउंड में ठीक है, सामने ठीक नहीं। हाँ यार सुनो, एक काम करो ना, ये सामने फोरग्राउंड में जो इस वाले फ्लास्क के ऊपर अम्ब्रेला उसको हटा ही दो ना, बीच में डंडा भी आ रहा है, गंदा लग रहा है ना। विद द स्टिक व्हाई? अच्छा लगेगा थोड़ा सा जो पैन करेगा उसके साथ। अरे नहीं यार, बहुत गंदा है, उसको हटाओ। अगर अम्ब्रेला का रेफरेंस नहीं रख रहे हो तो डंडा के बीच में क्या कर रहा है, हटाओ उसको। ये सामने वाला अम्ब्रेला हटाया, इस पर डिस्कशन मत करो, जाओ। आउट है, रोटेट करें।
Sounds simple, except that there is more to it than meets the eye. The person you seek seems the most elusive.
जो बाहर ऑफिस में बैठे हैं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वही आपको डायरेक्टर से नहीं मिलने देंगे। हम क्या कर सकते हैं, वही बोलेंगे फ़ोन नंबर दे दीजिए, बायोडाटा छोड़ दीजिए, जब जरूरत होगी हम आपको फ़ोन कर लेंगे। बस बैठे रहो घर पे, फ़ोन की वेट करते रहो, ना फ़ोन आएंगे ना काम पे जा पाएंगे।
See, most of us when we come from a small town, we are kind of also in awe of this whole thing, you know, this whole thing of this bigger director, this bigger setup, this bigger set, this is where I want to be.
Very easy. I got my first break within 6 months, and after meeting some 15 directors or something, and like waiting for them below their offices for 3 or 4 hours in the sun.
So this silsila was going on for at least 6 to 9 months. I followed him. Like I used to come every day in the morning 9 o'clock and leave the office after he leaves the office. Say about like 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, sometimes 11 बजा देते रात में। बारिश होती थी, वहाँ पे बारिश में खड़े रहता था मैं, खाता पीता कुछ था नहीं।
Honestly speaking, man, I can't do anything else. Because completed graduation, went to go to institute. I was bad luck. Those 3 years the institute was closed.
So one option was to join someone and work. That's the thing I'm comfortable with. That's the only thing I know. I can't even polish a shoe.
I came in the industry. I like two films, Parinda and Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar. I wanted to assist Vinod Chopra and Mansoor Khan, but it was difficult to get there. So finally, a point came where I wanted to assist anybody, but to assist somebody.
Everywhere it was like, हाँ ठीक है, आप अपना biodata दे दीजिए, देखते हैं क्या, if there is anything, we'll definitely give you a call.
So many times we left a biodata. We have all finished my biodata now. I don't have money to spend on my biodata because it's finished now. No anybody call you. Just keep a biodata and go to it.
Actually, it was difficult for Gulzar to have me as an assistant more than me having Gulzar as a director. The other way around in my case.
There is a lot of sweat, toil and heartache. There are approximately 5,000 people in Mumbai who work as assistant directors in film and television. Only a handful make it.
This is a very funny industry. To get a break also is a very difficult thing. But once you get a break and you start shooting, there are another kind of hassles. For instance, you are a new person. There is a cameraman who has already done 3 films. There is an assistant director to you who has also done 4, 5, 6 films. You are new. All 3 are there to undermine you.
But despite the odds and the pain, there are still a few who hold their heads high and are willing to go about their job with a spring in their stride and a hope in their heart. Just who are these assistants?
Somewhere deep down they're like performers. They like to enact all the scenes, whatever the actor is doing or whatever. Again, it's a brilliant thing. Some are like always running around behaving as if they are really busy but they're not doing anything.
Every assistant thinks they're very busy, but there's always half an hour time for you to write your own script.
These small bundles of energy, carrying lots of papers and running about and getting this one organized and calling this one from the van and doing this and that, are really, I think, somewhere the life of behind the scenes of the film.
Assistant director is, from my point of view, is a skilled labor.
Being an AD, I mean, the kind of demands that it makes on you literally, I think it's amazing. And the boys and the girls who are part of that whole assistant director army, I mean, hats off to them always. They make or break a project.
Assistant director is extension of a director.
I think they're the noble souls, the most genuine, most noble, most passionate souls.
He is an ass, nothing more, nothing less.
They get shout from everybody. But this is not only assistant director's work, this is everybody's.
His job is to provide whatever director wants. If you want something to be done, you have to get it done.
सर पे कफन बांध के आ गए and it makes you feel young again because that's how you started out and it makes you feel good. No shortcuts, hard work, no bloody grindstone. Yeah.
On the face of it, they are just ordinary people, one among a crowd. But at close quarters, what probably differentiates them from others is a certain indestructibility. They are undeterred by the uncertainty of success in their chosen profession. To know these people better, one needs to understand the work they do and their status or the lack of it in the film industry. Inevitably, the assistant's best friend is the alarm clock. Miles to go before I sleep. I have my director's vision to keep. The days start early. The assistants are usually the first people on the set. First there because they have to get everything ready for the shoot. The unit starts to trickle in. The assistant once again rechecks his call sheet to see if all requirements have been met. The ADs discuss their plan of action. The director joins them with instructions. A definite hierarchy exists in planning and execution. The day ahead now seems clear. Costumes are an integral part of filmmaking. The assistant director assumes the responsibility of instructing the costume department accordingly.
It's always the assistant director where we actually discuss the colors and the styles and the colors of the other actors and the backdrop what they're shooting in, because they're the ones who keep all the details with them, and it's always better to interact with them.
मगर क्या है बता तो दीजिए सती में वही जहाँ वह रवीना कम्स इनसे सुनो सुनो मैं सती होने वाली
An irritating actress is put in her place.
Very bad thing. You don't think. We'll send you the clothes.
Everything now seems ready for the shoot. Well, almost. The lead actress has still not arrived.
She hasn't landed up. How exciting. I wish she had told us we would come late, that's it. She is, but she will come. We don't know what time she's landing up. Yeah, she was supposed to be here around 9 and we were supposed to start that scene. The whole crew is ready inside that room.
The waiting continues. Then suddenly, information is received that she will not come. A brief moment of panic.
ओके रुको जस्ट रिलैक्स ओके सब चलने दो सुनो अभी ये तो भूल जाओ रवीना का सब भूल जाओ
बराबर है
ठीक है कुछ किसी को कुछ मत बोलो
एक सीन हम लोग ने स्पेयर में रखा ही है ऑलरेडी तो वो सीन इमीडिएट चालू करेंगे मास्टर सब शॉट्स के बाद उसके बाद नेक्स्ट सीन हम लोग मंदिर में कर रहे हैं काम है नहीं ऐसा लेकिन फर्स्ट रवीना को मिस करेंगे और क्या
वो आएगी कि नहीं आएगी?
No, she is not coming today.
You always have to be one step ahead.
Yeah, correct.
Do you have a standby?
Yeah, always. We have to keep.
An efficient AD is one who always has a backup plan.
And now we're doing only mailer shots, basically intercut. It's going to be used anytime. Yeah, without Yeah, much easier. For these guys too.
It's back to scratch. The team gears itself. A battalion of 4 ADs at work. The mission? A crowd of 300 strong people.
क्राउड जब ये क्राउड ओके बोलेगा हम शूट कर लेंगे तो मैं जब ओके नहीं बोलेगा आर्टिस्ट भी उसमें घूमेंगे ना हाँ उनको बॉयज को बुला लेंगे हम घुमा देंगे
जीना इसी का नाम है किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार जीना इसी का नाम है
क्राउड मैनेज करेंगे तो कुछ नहीं प्रॉपर अपना शॉट डिवीजन रहेगा आपने कई बार मालूम है अपने को कितने शॉट्स लेने हैं तो फिर कुछ मालूम नहीं फिल्मी क्राउड है चलो बोलो तो चलते हैं रुको बोलो तो रुकते हैं
There used to be this 6-7 of us assistant directors who were trying to galvanize a 1,000 strong crowd, 1,500, 2,000 strong crowd into a shot. You choreographed an entire crowd of 1,000 into doing this. This block will do this, that block will do that. You choreographed everything, and then bloody think something goes wrong, and you say, "Cut. We'll do it again. We'll do it again." Meaning what? Yeah, so, 1,000, 1,500 ka crowd again, all over again. And the marvelous thing, I mean, the beauty of it all was at the end of the day. They were saying cut, cut, cut 4 times, and every time everything was going, when the crowd was moving and all that. So who was doing it? You think, do you understand? It's that gang of ADs who's doing it.
Next.
अच्छे सा तो चाहिए
अच्छा जो बोल
पाएंगे उससे अच्छा जो दिख पाएंगे वो मेकअप नहीं दिखेगा
The scene demands a few actors for a close-up shot. The AD chooses who she thinks will fit the bill best.
See, we wanted to take close-up of both the sadhus. Because of the net, he's doing something to cover it up so we can take close-up. So there's no net.
Back to the director to seek his approval.
There is no technique which hides what you can't see in the eye. That day, the water वहाँ पे पानी गिरा हुआ था, वो चल के आता है, हमारे पानी दिखता है. जो आँख से दिखता है ना शालिनी, वो दिखता है. मैं बोलता हूँ बेबी, जो आँख से दिखता है, वो दिखता है स्क्रीन पे. बस कोई रास्ता ही नहीं. तुमको आँख से दिख रहा है? बस ये दिखे.
One day on the sets, this was sort of a tight kind of a shot, and I put, that single-handed clap. So I just put in my hand into the frame, and I took the clap out. And the director said, cut. Immediately after I gave the clap, he cut the shot, and in front of the entire unit, he said, because in that single-handed clap, that sound that came out wasn't as loud as it should have been. But I mean, all of us knew that for the purposes, it served its purpose, you know, I mean, there was no point. But he said cut, and he cut the shot, and in front of the entire unit, he says, you know, you film institute buggers can't even give a clap properly. And this was already, I've been in Bombay now for 6, 7, 8 years, and I've already put in my time at the film institute, and he says, you know, that's the problem with you guys, you know, you don't even know how to give a clap. What do you mean by giving a single-handed clap? Give us a double-handed clap. And you know, I mean, I have a very sort of volatile temperament myself, and I'm sort of, people know me more for that than for anything else. And then 70, 80 people on a unit looking on, you know, and I just froze. And then you know, later on I admired myself, you know, because right there in that total silence, I said, I'm very sorry, sir. I'll do it again.
It's all taken in one stride. Next, the cameraman wants to check a previous shot to match it for lighting and exposure.
Yeah, I have to check. We have to go back on the video assist and check once. I hope I get it. वो जो रवीना और वो भरत था ना, अंदर जहाँ वो सुसाइड करना है, हाँ, जब मास्टर जी भी थे, वो 15 को शूट किया, कौन सी टेक में है? जिस दिन हमने रिया मिर्जा का न्यू लुक भी किया था। सीन का फोटो सेशन है, ये रहा, ये क्या? नो, ये जो सया जी और
Soon the whole unit joins the hunt for the elusive shot.
ये नहीं, अतुल काका, अपने लोगों को एक दो लोगों को थोड़ा छोड़ दो।
Finally, all smiles after a job that's well done. The film unit breaks for a much-deserved lunch. A time for a unit to relax a bit. But for the ADs, a time to catch up with pending work.
Hello, is that Shabana? I'll give you a call around 3 o'clock and let you know exactly what time you can come in.
Next, as night falls on the set, the director's requirements still keep coming in.
She's coming fast, she's late. हाँ. उसके हाथ में कुछ झोला वाला दो. झोला दो.
मुझे बैग ला के दो कपड़े का. कोई है? अरे अपने पास कोई कपड़े का बैग है क्या? नहीं. कोई नहीं है कपड़े का बैग, कुछ नहीं है. हाँ नहीं है. कपड़े का? दादा ये मेरा ही बैग है, ये मुझे मत पकड़ाना. हाँ ऐसा ही एक बैग चाहिए था यार.
अरे ये वही बांसुरी वाले का ना.
ये तो कंटिन्यूटी का बैग है. Looks like we are in big problem.
He's gone to the canteen to get one. Canteen में. और ये. Just show this to Sanjay.
संजय जी ये कैसा लगता है?
No, this is very rubbish.
No, can't you carry it like that?
Completely wrong. तुम लोग पहले खुद ही तो सोचो यार. She's coming like pretty doll Barbie shape थोड़ी है वो.
अब आपको नहीं हो क्या?
नहीं ठीक है. वो कुछ कपड़े का ऐसा जूस ऐसा होता है लपेट करके. हाँ. जल्दी से लेकर के. वो भी. हाँ because ready हो गए यार. अभी शॉट में फंस जाएंगे हम लोग.
They don't have anything here. They don't have anything in the art department also. That's it. That's all. Actually, this is not bad. हाँ चलता है. One option. Now I'm supposed to take options.
Oh, you finally got one?
No, this is. I hope it works. I think this should work. Otherwise, I'm dead. कोई भी कपड़ा. कैसा चाहिए मुझे? पतला सा सारा. बांधनी कपड़ा हो. और कलरफुल होना. हाँ ये.
Innovation is the essence of being an AD. The options are suggested. The director is finally satisfied. Phew. Managed just in time as the actress arrives. Each second costs money on the set, and who better to realize this than the assistant?
Roll sound! Camera? Action.
The shot is done, but the director is not pleased with the shot.
Cut it!
He wants a far more lonelier feel to the shot. Another requirement coming, only this time it's far more unusual.
चलो कुत्ते का बच्चा आ सकता है क्या वापस?
हाँ हट गया. हाँ सर हट जाऊंगा सर.
Every dog should have its 15 minutes of fame, but the dog's brief tryst with fame is not to be.
हाँ एक सेकंड. हाँ नहीं भागेगा. हाँ हट जाऊंगा सर.
The shot is not okay. They decide to take another one.
Order sir.
Roll sound.
Action!
The dog is not interested in being a star. However, the assistant, true to his creed, is determined and won't give up. Retakes of the same shot can be really boring for someone not part of the unit. The dog too seems to be bored. He's had enough, bids a kind adieu and leaves. Finally, the shot is taken, minus the dog. The assistant is definitely not the kind to give up.
We'll try again. Of course I'm going to do it again.
Another opportunity presents itself.
वहाँ पे क्या देती हो दरवाजे के आगे? वो एरिया आज तक एक्सपोज नहीं हुआ तो वहाँ पे कुछ भी डाल सकते हैं अपन लोग तुम चाहो तो.
He decides to get the better of the dog. He gets the whole unit to help him in his crusade.
Very good, very good. पकड़ के रख.
This time, the assistant is not taking any chances.
अरे अभी मेरे को खाली लग रहा ब्लॉक है एक और कुछ लेके आ.
He literally ropes the dog in the shot.
It's nothing, it's just to fill up the block, you know, the block should look, something interesting should come. So what interesting you have? Dogs, stray dogs, pups. There has to be something interesting.
Because it's a chawl and that's why. But all that effort just to make a frame look good.
Filmmaking is all about frame. If the frame doesn't look good, what is the film making? Even if you look in the monitor, you see this big, on big screen this comes out to be. Action!
It's a dog's life. Who knows it better than an assistant director? It is the assistant's brush with glory. Their moment in the spotlight. Alas, if only for a fraction of a second. So near, yet so far. As the unit packs up, one is left wondering how much of being an AD is creative and how much clerical.
There are two types of assistant. One is on the creative level and one is the worker.
I always keep assistants who are creative also. Otherwise, other the बाकी the production assistant रहते हैं. There are people who are just doing carrying orders.
Jharu needs to be लगाओ on the set. You लगाओ it. Give a call. Ask the spot boy to come. He's not there. Pick it up. Do it yourself. Don't wait. You know the way you have to respond. Because ultimately, when the director walks onto the sets, he's not going to. You are not going to give him a bureaucratic report that I shouted 3 times for the spot boy to come. He did not come, and that is why the jharu was never लगाओ on the sets.
Most of my assistants do all kind of work. Means there is no, though there is a hierarchy, 1, 2, 3. But basically, what I look for is the creative contribution.
If an assistant director, not trained for the job, takes only 2 seconds more to get out of the field after giving the clap, it will cost you 3 feet of film. 2 seconds will be 3 feet of film. How many shots there are in a day? How many takes? How many retakes? Maybe about 300 feet of the film you are wasting only because your clapper boy is not efficient in the job.
You listen to one bloody shit scene and you put on a mask on your face and you say, wow, what a scene, man. So there is nothing creativity involved at all, nothing. It is simply a clerical job, 99.9%.
In a country where films are akin to a religion, there are some who sacrifice everything to pursue their dreams, like Dr. or should we say Assistant Rohit Chauhan.
Third year of medicine, then I started getting in touch with a few documentary people and I just assisted them on a lark. Then I got hooked. From there it was on. I knew that I definitely needed to assist and I wanted to assist someone on a full-length feature. Sanjay Bansali was doing a project which I really liked, was doing a film. He said, I'll keep you on an interim period of 1 month and we'll take it from there. It was bad being an assistant. It did not meet up to what I had thought. 2 things. See, because there can be only one captain of the ship and it has to be the director and you have to see things from his point of view. Yes, that is true, that is agreed. But I really believe that that does not mean that you treat people as subhumans or that you do not give them the respect which they deserve. Because there is a dignity attached to the whole dream of making a film. Everyone has the right to share that dignity because he is sharing the dream with you, because he is working on your dream.
और अभी जो ना थोड़ा ड्रॉप लग रहा है ना इसमें, थोड़ा jerks, that's because of the transfer. Otherwise तो ठीक है.
what has kept me going as an assistant is the dream of making my own film. I always keep a stethoscope in my bag. Now I've lost that bag.
And a few who unselfishly dedicate their lives to see somebody else's dream light up the celluloid.
हनीफ भाई किधर रहते हैं? हनीफ भाई वो अपना फिल्मों में काम करते हैं ना?
हाँ,
20 साल से।
तुम बोल रहे थे? हाँ, तो इतने साल हो गए हैं, खेल हो गया, मतलब क्या कोई टेंशन नहीं आती, आराम से काम कर लेते हैं। कभी वाइफ को बता दिया कि भी वो इस तरह से शूटिंग में जो है वो मैंने वो सजेस्ट किया था और ये वो तो कितना अच्छा लगता है। उसके बाद तो फिर मुझे खुद भी ऐसा लगने लगा कि हाँ ठीक है, तो वो इतनी सजेशन दी है और इतना सब कुछ हुआ, तब क्या शुरू में ज़रा एक्साइटमेंट आती थी। मेरा फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि जो मुझे अच्छा लगता है तो मैं किसी तरह से वो पुटअप करने की कोशिश करता हूँ और मैं सजेस्ट करता हूँ। अगर वो मान जाते हैं तो वेल एंड गुड, नहीं तो फिर अपना ओके सर, यस सर, ओके सर। जूनियर जो कलीग रहे हैं कई मिलते हैं, तारीफ करते हैं, लोग बोलते हैं कि फला फला बोल रहा था आपके बारे में। कई लोग हैं जो गुरु मानते हैं।
I just don't think I'm meant to be in the industry because I've seen my father struggling and still struggling, and so I've got a little not so happy look, you know. So I don't think I'll be making it into industry.
जीना मरना यही है, फिल्में ही बनाएंगे।
You go to a theater where everything is dark and you see this moving images. It's a fascinating process here. That's what drove me into this thing. And that was a journey which started something like what you call 20 years back. And I'm still traveling. I'm still here. Now at this stage, I must have done around 50 to 60 films, which is a big record because people generally don't do that much kind of films. But I feel that day and the moment this passion for cinema diminishes, I would rather like to quit it.
जो सब करते हैं यारो वो क्यों हम तुम करें, यूं ही कसरत करते करते काहे को हम मरे, घर वालों से टीचर से भला हम क्यों डरे, यहाँ के हम सिकंदर चाहे तो रख ले सबको अपनी जेब के अंदर, हर हमसे बच के रहना मेरे यार।
The guy who gets kicked around the most is the AD. You know, so these are the amazing things, and the ADs who survive all this and survive it in a positive way, not in any mean-minded and in a very cynical way. ठीक है. I mean, they are the guys who end up traveling the distance. They are the guys who end up doing projects. They are the ones who give the industry the projects that the industry remembers.
That's what being an AD is all about. Hope springs eternal in the human breast. A hope that the path they have chosen will someday reach their destination. To be able to translate their dreams into celluloid. To be a director for every dog has its day.
जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ, जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ, जीना है जब हमको आवाज दो, हम हैं वहीं हम थे जहाँ।